How to fix sorry CapCut is not available right now. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download CapCut even though that's banned in USA. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, launch your Play Store. As you do so, you have to simply type in VPN. In my case, I will be using Turbo VPN. Once you install this, all you have to do is open it. And here, connect yourself into a different network. In my case, I'm moving ahead with Singapore. You can also change your network connection by tapping onto it and choosing anyone from here. Now, once you do so, let's head over to our Play Store. Here at the top search bar, let's go ahead and type in CapCut, and now it will show you install. As you have connected to the different location internet, it will show install for you, but in my case, I already have it, so it is showing update. Just like so guys, tap on install, and that is how easily you can download CapCut. That is all for today guys. Thank you all for watching, and if it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.